Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pre-workout powder at home. First, let's look at the core ingredients. You'll want to include caffeine for energy, creatine for strength, and beta-alanine for endurance. Each plays a vital role in boosting your workout. Understanding their individual benefits helps you tailor your blend to your specific fitness needs and personal tolerance levels. Sourcing quality ingredients is crucial for effectiveness and safety. Always buy from trusted suppliers to ensure purity. When it comes to measurement, a precise digital scale is essential. For example, you might use 3 to 5 grams of creatine or 150 to 200 milligrams of caffeine. Accurate measurement prevents overdosing and ensures your blend is effective. Once you have your measured ingredients, it's time to mix. Use a clean, dry container and combine all powders thoroughly. For flavor, consider adding a small amount of citric acid or natural fruit powder. This makes your pre-workout more palatable. Mix everything well to ensure each serving has a consistent blend of all active components. Proper storage is key to maintaining potency. Keep your pre-workout in an airtight container, away from moisture and direct sunlight. For consumption, mix one serving with water about 20 to 30 minutes before your workout. Always start with a smaller dose, perhaps 1/2 of a full serving, to see how your body reacts before increasing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.